Anyway, officially, we now welcome to Nigeria FM 102.7 at this particular junction right now. And at 4 minutes, almost 5 minutes, I escape, leave 11 a.m. already on top today, the 6th day of July 2021. Time don't reach for across the bridge between the money runs host, Aaron and Becca, alongside the workshop host then, Godwin Arua, you're the first voice of Nigeria FM, and Lady J, the Assam 51 of Nigeria FM. Anyway, first of all, Godwin, Lady J, welcome. You know, see me, you know, see yesterday.
Thank you.
So
yes,
happy weekend. How was your weekend, first of all?
My weekend fine. Half of the weekend now here.
Oh yeah. You really now you do Saturday.
I do Saturday, yes.
For Timmy Talk, right?
The Talk Saturday morning show, yes, 6 to 12.
Oh, okay.
In the morning, so
Okay.
apart from that, the weekend, okay.
It did legit, Abby. That means that Saturday you don't experience the police outfit everywhere.
No, you know, on that side when they say they will do, they will do the protest for that.
Ojota area.
So now that place now
the
police.
park put.
But to drive come office from my side, come reach here, go back, all the road free. Everywhere.
Okay. Anyway, sharp right now. We get two major topic we like focus on top this particular segment. The first one, now the new state when they approve by ISWAP. ISWAP, Abi? Yeah, ISWAP. For inside Borno
state of West African province.
Yeah, they don't get governor. They don't appoint their own governor for Borno state. They don't know how they want to generate.
Wait, first. ISWAP don't get their own state.
Stroke Boko Haram.
Inside.
No, they now the same state. But they don't get their own governor. Now two governors Borno state get.
ISWAP governor.
And they not share. So ISWAP don't share Borno.
They get 5 local government where they get power over. Then the other 22, now Baba Ghana zone also get that one I want. Then the second one, now communication, sex communication between husband and wife. Language, because I find I say a lot of us not they focus on that area, and a lot of us they shy away from they talk about couples, husband and wife. Now they two be that. But before we start anyone, or before we make a vote, which one we want to start with, I like ask Godwin, Lady J, which group you did? Group A, Group B, or Group C?
Waiting.
Often. Group A for Nigeria, we get 3 groups for Nigeria.
Okay.
Group
According
A,
to you.
according to the system we they operate. Group A, now those when we say they did the front line, they commit the main cocoa, that's they loot our money, they move money.
Okay.
And at the Group A, most time they quick arrest.
Political thief
And 419, the fraudster and the rest. Name all of them. Now they be Group A because they did the front line and they get access to the money directly. Then we get Group B, who be the supporters of Group A and who they benefit from Group A. Now make anytime you say edit up to Group A, that they quick come outside. Not be first start to the douane. After all, other people don't douane before. I believe you know why? Because they benefit directly from whoever they support, which is Group A. Then get Group C will be the last group. Those ones now set up will never know where to belong, whether not Group A or Group B. They never get mind to be part of any group. So Godwin, which group you did?
I know
don't be a hypocrite.
You know
if
why?
you say you know any group, you be liar.
You know why I know any group? Now go explain why I know any group. Number one, I not be politician. I not be 419. So I know they Group A.
Okay.
Group B, I know they support person with the thief government money. I know they there.
You know they benefit too.
Group C.
No, not be support.
I know they so benefit.
You know they benefit.
Now they come
directly.
here. Now they wake up every day calls you. Yeah, benefits. That be fun you. You know the meaning of benefit. Now they drive the car motor while they drive.
Not be everybody when they benefit. They drive big motor.
No, anybody.
It depends on your level of benefits.
No, it get where you go. The benefit reach. You go know say this one the benefit.
Okay, so Godwin, you know they group. You know so which group?
Why I say I know they Group C because
why?
You say Group C now those will never decide whether they want join.
They never made decision. Yes.
Because me I don't decide. Say I no go ever join. You understand? So that indecision
in my mind.
So you need to do Group D.
No,
those will not go join at all.
They only 3 group.
Godwin,
if you not the Group A, you sure say you did Group B. If you not the Group B, you did Group C. You never make decision.
If you put me for Group C, I go tell you say that Group C were there. I don't decide I no go join people with the thief government.
Godwin. When you do show, what you say you go? Should you travel go Abuja?
Yes.
Who approve money for you?
I go look for sponsorship on company.
Where the money come from?
I don't understand.
Not the government parastatals.
I don't do work for the government parastatal.
But you benefit now.
No, I work them pay me.
Godwin,
it's simple.
When you sell your ticket, hold on. When you sell your ticket, hold on.
Make answer that first one. How our organization today, how Nigeria even today pay you salary?
Advert, you do work.
Why the companies where they run the advert they pay Nigeria? No, because Nigeria play their adverts. First of all, I pay Nigeria FM some money to advertise my show.
Godwin, they
Inside that my advertisement of my show in Nigeria FM, they do. I put company name inside the advert. Put them for my brochure. Put them for my billboard. Put them for my handbill. The company pay me for that advert. On the day I talk about the company, I play their video. They pay me using a government money. I don't understand. They don't pay me money.
I'm more agree say that one come. Even though say the money not really rhyme with the advert when you do for them. But hold on.
The advert pass the money.
You want tell me say, see, she don't do Nigeria FM. One government person never say, I got we are doing a great war, or invite a comfort, he drop envelope for you, or draw something to give you, or transfer something to give you.
No, the one where they don't give me.
No, not they do like this.
Explain now. I be government. I don't.
You group B.
I be where government don't give me money. The money where government give me.
You must get justification for
Wait,
that
now they tell you so. Now so work what we do for government.
No, who not they do work for them before?
No, I be for instance, government invite.
That reminds me the story where you share. That the story with
government invite
when
some.
They pay you, yes.
They invite presenters both TV and radio.
Which for me can't talk good about them.
Wait, the listener made them come for meeting. That was some years ago. Alhaji Lai Mohammed, Minister of Information.
The same Alhaji Lai Mohammed.
They invite us for meeting. Okay, someone will come on a Saturday. When we go there, first of all, I know they work on Saturday. You invite me, man, leave my house, come. They go pay me transport, then they pay my salary.
So
number one. Number two, the
Monday.
Inconvenience of coming there, spending my whole day.
These are all justification to the benefit.
When I reach R&B, when we do the conference and everything, and they come out, they give me an envelope, say take for your inconvenience and transport.
Now so hold on. So the first thing I give him envelope say because you inconvenience yourself to be here now.
No, but the minister announced and said for inconvenience and transport fee 9 be this. 9 they give us. I don't even tell you how much.
You are just justifying.
Just like for Senate. For Senate now they collect hardship allowance.
God, you said it. They come.
No.
Now the group where you need to the fear like be this group B.
So make I ask you a question. So make I go that meeting. R&B. So make I go that meeting. Man, no collect my small thing. Man, no collect small thing for the money. And I go work for them now. You understand? I go there, they inconvenience my sleep. I go spend with my children. I go visit my friends. I think I go sit down. They discuss government policy.
Oh no, God,
my mama, my papa.
Then discuss. It's not enough. You need to
put group D.
No, Godwin. You see that group D? Now there is supposed to be a pass out of everybody because they didn't justify it. See, I don't go to the convince before we want to convince. No, I don't agree. You are group B.
I mean that payment.
Group B. Group B.
That payment for work what?
You not do any work. See, may I will tell you. Okay. During when election they go on for Benin, that election when bring Oshomole in, I got our boys. Musicians, because I get small hand for those at that time. Do music for Sumbo. I go submit the music. Osumbo boss me there. Yeah, my job.
Exactly.
Boys job.
The music.
Hold on now. Yes, the more not talk clear because we did group it too. Boys job, man, then I got promise say if you holler and more, spread them more, when you enter, everywhere go letter. Now we carry the matter on top here. Now, whether you like or not, there must be an effort when you go put in, when you go warrant you to benefit from them. You get. So you saying, say, that work you do for them, now the normal process be that. They must get it to give you something.
No,
but see, last you they benefit from them. Because at the end of the day, go shape your
no, he they get
decision.
The one. No, he get the ones. He get those where they give money when no do anything.
Now guess be that. No, even guess they do something.
But if you do work, if you do work for them, for instance, now if election don't they come, party need to print handbill. They need to print.
But you not print handbill.
Assume now say you get printing press.
That one we know say that no, that one different. That one
if
different.
Them pay you money,
that one are indirect.
Not be work.
That one are direct or direct.
Okay, R&B now. Let's say you need to work for radio again. They call you say every rally when they go do, they need MC to host them. You can't host them. You be supporter. Not be work you they do.
I they benefit.
How they take feed your family?
Now why group B get supporter and benefit?
No, that benefit they benefit. Now say you they chop government money, I be you they pay you for work what they need.
It depends on how they do the work.
No, you be MC, professional MC. How comedians say they chop? Now MC work. Somebody come there to go MC election
there must
campaign.
be a miss
They
for
go
you to
pay
take
them.
benefit.
No.
God, you take group B.
You know why you go talk say person don't benefit like that? The supporter. Now when
They can't ask you
after
question.
they don't pay you all those things, maybe you can't. But you can't see say maybe somebody for that place then catch one person say chief government.
They
money.
can't justify.
But they say no, you know thief the money.
You don't criticize. You don't see anyone when they criticize anyone when they benefit from like that.
All the
openly
criticize
before.
what they criticize for this studio, yeah, he believes say I collect their money.
No, that one don't say now. Now on the feet of
I know,
forget, they give you money.
I
God me. Okay, that's Lady J. Lady J, which group you did?
None of the above.
Now see you did because you never make
None
decision.
of the above.
Based on your
None-
condition, I agree. See
I
you
don't
did.
say no like with condition. Now you go determine my condition. See around
No.
No, be you go determine my condition. None of the above.
Lady J, based on that group, see you
You
did.
don't feel force me.
See, man, not
You
like
don't
if you see
feel
this stealing group, if you're not there, Negro, you just lie to yourself. Even
I
Godwin
say
tip there, I don't
none
say
of
I
that.
don't
Group
say-
C.
None of the
See,
above.
it just say you never did package job. I will say you did group C, but no, you don't package job well.
I they support bad thing, but I they work for my money. So if I see opportunity, if I see opportunity to work, ma give one instant. Now somebody government they give contract to print to produce NYSC clothes, NYSC shoe, NYSC singlet, and all those things. So that person now he working they do.
But you don't say that person might shock you now. How much? You know how much of the budget for that university clothes? If you run in billions of naira.
Yeah.
You know why we not if you question them? Because whoever they give the job to, not they talk the true amount where they give them. Because the other time I say, we'll give you this one though, but not be this one, did the budget. We'll hold the other one. So the other person go, shut up. So indirectly you see the support they evil did. So God will leave her.
No.
Leave her.
No,
God will.
but when me I charge them for my show. When me I
Okay,
charge
no, I
government
understand
company for my
FRS,
show, I charge government
FRI,
company say see how much I they sell my plus everything what I go do, and then say negotiate, come down, beat and that, and eventually we reach agreement.
do one.
That one I work.
That one I feel understand, but you see that on the invite you for so many give you
Somebody
envelope.
don't talk
My
here. He say,
Yeah.
may you stop conspiring with Mr. Godwin over any politician who gave him money or not. He said that somebody dashed or paid them money doesn't mean he's in support of the person.
Exactly.
Dash,
When I be tell
na
her I'm
dash.
deal.
No, the election reach, they give you 5,000 naira. They don't know, they don't mean to make you vote for them. No, now, well done. No, more not they justify all these things. Let's move forward. Lady J, which one is it?
I say you say none of the
Okay,
above.
see, me they give you a group.
No, you
Which
don't-
group you did?
don't
Me
force
them
me.
be, but I never chop well for the
You
bee.
be government you be government chopper
I
sympathizer.
never chop well. I know they would. You know why if they shout now be say I never chop well. You get where I go chop well. I know if they shout. I know they will ask you this question. I say, just live there. They are not the first to really do it. Okay, we'll move to the next topic right now. 2 governors that we get. Now, I don't wait for reply from presidency or even the state government. That's a Borno state government. You get since then. I never see. So, information comes as I say the Islamic State West Africa Province, ISWAP Council, headed by Abu Mus'ab Al-Banawi, don't reshuffle their structure. So they even get structure before they even reshuffle me. They say Al-Banawi now the son of the late extremist Mohammed Yusuf. Say ISIS actually appointed her as the leader for 2016 after he leased several loyalists out of Boko Haram. You know, it's native from ISWAP. They said the restructuring ordered by the ISIS headquarters for Iraq followed the death of ISWAP commander in battles with the Nigeria military. Said an emergency meeting was attended by Wali leaders. Now Wali that they call leaders. The Quadis, chiefs and commanders and head of units, according to PRO Niger. They say Abba Ghana, aka Ba Lawan, was reappointed as ISWAP leader barely 6 months after he removed her by the Shura Council for loss of confidence. Say Balawan go lead the fight for ISIS-backed Islamic Caliphate of Africa, Waliya of Africa, converting part of Nigeria, Chad, and Niger and Cameroon to their own side. Then Malabako and the new deputy Nai to command the ISIS Caliphate Command of Nigeria when they recently established for the Tumbunkutu Triangle for the Sata Borno State. Then, now Abba Kaka was named governor
All these
of
names.
Abba Kaka, was named governor of Tumbuma.
To bam
Say he go oversee.
Oniku bembem.
Make I leave me. Say he go oversee Mate, Abada, Kukawa, Magumeri, and other part of the Lake Chad.
Magumeri.
Magumeri.
I bless. I'll give this to Lady J. Make it off with the call. So last now, Godwin, wetin dem dey try talk now be say, you see this local government wey I mention, so there are about 5. So na there ISWAP take appoint their own governor. So the governor name na Abba Kaka, na you call am, right?
Abba Kaka
under the party ISWAP. I believe say they correct to say ISWAP,
Okay.
and I dey in charge of 5 local government area. While the other 22 were remain for Borno State. Now Baba Gana Zulu, who be the APC governor, elected governor,
yes.
now be governor of
those
states right now. So we get to governor for Borno State according to this particular
Report.
report. And now they also develop way to take generate revenue to
for
take
themselves.
sustain that 5
So
local
how they
government.
say they wanted to generate the money?
They collect us
From who?
from the community. They don't. You don't hear say complete up this right on time.
From the
Somebody
community.
send
Yeah,
us
they go enter
send
communities
us message.
collect us.
So
So
when-
why they collect am for the past 11 years?
So when they don't collect tax
for
from
the
those people.
past
hand?
11 years.
So when they declare this state as their own.
Nah, yesterday
local
official report actually come outside, but since then they say it don't dey on ground based on the meeting we never who.
Okay,
before.
so would they wait to hear say
From Borno State government to
no,
federal
not the
government.
federal government. No, would they wait to hear say DSS don't go raid the leader of that 5 local government house now, arrest am like them do for Igboho, Abi.
Igboho Sunday.
Say be them pursue.
But you know that one not the
Shebi-
sharp secessionists. They don't want to separate
Shebi-
Nigeria.
I don't understand.
Yeah.
Secessionists, they don't collect 5 local government. They don't want to come.
No, that one not be separate. You see, they stay part of Borno
Then
State.
collect
you see
state
them
inside
get
state
to-
for Nigeria. I don't understand. The one where they
They
tell you
not
say
say
the one
Nigeria
where they
mean
tell-
Shena
the
state.
one where they tell you say you won't come out. You go after them. They say they pursue Nnamdi Kanu for 2 years. They go Igboho house in the night. The one we don't name 5 local government as their own state. Would they wait to see what thing they go do? Shebi that they go after people who say they want to scatter the country. These ones don't already collect 5 local
You know
governments.
wetin
as their own.
twins are dey talk because at a point I say e be like say they select the people wey they give the language wey they understand.
Exactly.
But him say be like say these people na the same language
Na
dey
they
talk.
speak, so
na
not
because
be,
of that they no fit
So okay.
Yeah.
treat them with the language
When
that-
they know. understand.
Okay, so we dey wait. So we get president. Meanwhile,
I dey wait
some
for
people dey-
presidency report-
some people
reply on
dey-
this.
Some people dey claim. You understand? The only thing where they go fit talk for the matter be say, as they don't talk am now, na to send military go there. And you go ask yourself whether we even get the military power to do it because military don't they stretch thin like this. But not something like the war with military they fight for that Borno state. So if the time President Jonathan dey, something they collect different local government, they put flags.
Yeah.
Before he come out, they recover all those territories. That's why they fit do election that time. So if anybody don't collect 5 local governments now, more would they see wetin the president will be commander in chief
Go
and the
do to
military go
recollect
do.
am back.
What you go? Would they wait to hear what they go tell us?
Now fear now say, as this one happen, it takes one person to just start something for the rest to start to do and so
They
this
know they do am for other
issue.
states, right?
I swear, it dey possible. Before you know, I just say Zafara, this state, this one don't get this one. Before you know, we gonna get to two governors.
if the government
By
no fit-
terrorists.
if the government don't fit do anything about this one now,
It go become big
it go
business
spread.
again.
Like we dey
The
talk.
same way bandit or a ransom payment. It's like remember when they
Yes,
complain that
now.
time?
Yeah.
Not pay. They say no.
Yeah.
Now dialogue, they want dialogue.
That's why they say if you give rats cake, you
Yeah.
go ask you for a glass of milk.
Wait,
May you
so
take wash
step
and
up
down.
Wash
Exactly. Now him be waiting they happen to this one they don't collect. They try him in those times when Jonathan dey. They say they will go put flag, put that I shake out CD. So now they don't drive them come out. At one time they say Boko Haram been totally decimated.
Yeah, for
Na
Borno
remnant,
State in
na remnant.
particular,
Now
yeah.
I swap don't kuku come out Boko Haram because they don't even kill Shekau.
Check out, yeah.
Now they don't take over, say they don't take 5. More will they see the government response to them.
Now they wait for.
Now what we go wait for now be that.
We dey
Now
wait for am. We dey wait for
There's a
am.
bit pursue people where they talk say they want separate from the country from the south. Most waiting go happen now we be saying are not this one. They
Whether
don't
they
declare.
go direct the same energy.
What would they
Anyway,
say? You know another bad thing what happened to this country and this our region now.
Yeah.
The death of that Chad president.
yeah,
Like,
it really make
because
the.
that man I make them not get mouth before. The man
yeah.
be fight
Then
at the
I watch
forefront.
them say na war front for
Yes,
even
the
collect.
man they fight. Not
Yeah,
because
yeah.
they sit down the same message.
He
go
dey
go by
enter
himself.
bush with them.
You understand? So since the man died, that fight for that against terrorism.
He don dey weaken.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
now to see what Nigeria go do now. To
So
stop
if you
all-
want, if what I heard the thing before now, if federal government wants, before I later find out say they get their own plans to collect tax. Say okay, federal government want share allocation, they go share reach this governor.
no, they're gonna share again. Now Zulum now be the
So
recognized
now
governor.
now Zulu consult whether he go share with the fellow governor.
Zulum don't accept. So those people they follow and share this.
I dey wait for your reply.
Zulu don't get mouth
now I
now.
see why they dey try attack us since
You
then.
know why? You know why Zulum
Yeah.
don't get mouth. Now on paper, now governors be chief security officer.
Yeah.
Zulum no get control over the police. Zulum no get control over the army, navy, air force, anything. He no get control over anything. Now just by mouth, he take be chief security officer of the
Officer.
state. So now the president be commander in chief, in charge of the armed forces, who's supposed to
Now
guide
he go
our
give
territorial integrity. Now president hand the day.
So this one not bring me to the new bill when Lagos State lawmaker they try make. You don't hear far?
I don't hear with the two adjustments so they make.
They try
concerning
make.
Police.
Police
When
say
they
police not supposed to do.
Exactly.
yeah.
And then you know if you arrest person
Arrest person.
on behalf of
Say
somebody.
your brother commit crime, you come out, you arrest me,
Exactly.
you arrest
It don't make
somebody.
sense. Exactly.
So I want just ask right now. Now they wait for Babajide to
Sign up.
sign
He
am.
go sign am.
So if you sign am, so if that can't happen now, who wan arrest commissioner of police when be say the chief security officer not already get hand over there? So first of all, now the state lawmaker supposed to make that kind. They get power to make that law.
Them, yes, because even if the commissioner of police know the
report to the
technically
governor.
he's supposed to report to governor, but even though they report,
Yeah.
if they arrest you, say commit any state for Lagos,
Yeah.
now
the states-
according to the state laws, they go
Now you
prosecute you.
So if it
So if the state law say they're not supposed to parade you, it then parade you. You
Yeah.
fit sue the police for parading you because they don't.
so
break
federal
the law.
government not go
Federal
not get
not be federal
Okay.
offense. If you commit any offense for state, now
Because
the state
somebody
law-
outside they tell me say
That's why-
they not get
that's
that
why-
power to
that's
make
why
that
do-
law.
no, that's why
so they just
those-
want you to make noise.
No, they're supposed to make laws. That's why you go find out say most people waiting for death row.
Yeah.
Where they supposed don't kill. They never
Yeah.
kill them because the governors never
Never
sign.
give approval
So
for
when
inside
that
the
police
state.
prosecute you, when anybody, if they find you guilty, the state governor need to approve the death sentence. That's why death row full because governors then agree sign. Now then get the final state. So once the state legislation don't bring law, governor don't sign out.
Yeah.
You don't enter law. They go prosecute you according
To the state law.
You understand? That's why the state governor don't talk now say by September 1st. They go make sure take the law on open grazing don't they ban because now the states hand the day to.
And
do
also,
that
they
law.
also talk something from their
Exactly.
meeting say any arrest when one happen for their state, maybe the
They need
commissioner of
to
police.
know. Yes.
You just say that one dey possible.
It's supposed to,
this
I
sincere.
they listen to Femi Falana when they talk
Yeah.
yesterday night. And in the talk say it dey very abnormal for DSS to dey go somebody else in the middle of
You
the
say
night.
na
Nice.
military.
When they know they plan
something,
coup,
something.
you understand? When
Yeah.
no be coup, you understand? Say the least way if you do, if you dey surveil the house somewhere, they look say in case this person want arrest her in the morning, he will run in the night.
Yeah.
Then if you see say cars they come out of the compound where they suspect, you go block them say who did this car? We need to know because
Now waiting we dey even see for,
would they wait
for
to
foreign movies.
yeah, would they wait
No,
to
waiting with
or
they see
you go
for foreign
trailer.
movie, I would say that for Nigeria are two different
But for
things.
Nigeria own the night they go enter shoot people say
Yeah.
na in self defense. I know you enter person house with gun. What do you expect? Make
Destroy,
this
don't be
person
just shoot
And also,
yourself,
not forget
destroy,
to-
destroy the person property.
Yeah, even before now, we'd always see escort with this Sunday Igboho and some. So those escort and the fire against them, and their guns they showcase really because when they release statement, they say that their guns be that AK-47. Now the police escort when follow people when come visit Sunday Igboho.
You don't see
Now they
escort
carry.
with Sunday Igboho when they move before. With carry gun. You don't see.
I never see you.
And because Sunday Igboho say the weapon na DSS planter. And then they say that the DSS destroy the security
Evidence,
cameras.
yeah.
They carry
But
the
why?
camera
Shebi that one supposed to be evidence. Say see what they can't do. Say they legit.
if you get something to hide, you go destroy camera now.
Becca, more move to something else.
All
What
right,
did Jeff Bezos they
well,
do?
they say Jeff Bezos don't step down as the Amazon CEO.
This guy don't make enough money already. Then.
Yeah, so earlier this year, say Mr. Bezos announced in decision saying he wants step down in order to be able to focus on initiative such as plan for private space travel. Making the announcement, Mr. Bezos talk say he won't focus. He want make I put am the way we say in the year. He say Mr. Bezos said he wanted to focus his energy and attention on new products and early initiatives in his new role as executive chair. This journey began some 27 years ago. Okay, he talk about how Amazon take start, how it
27
take
years
day
ago.
blessed, how it take employ 1.3 million talented, dedicated people, blah 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 blah. But the core of everything be say, he
want
say the
step
person
down.
we want replace him, his name na Jassy, Jass.
Now, a family member,
I don't know.
Jassy,
They
what
say
thing?
Andy.
Andy.
Andy is well known inside the company and has been at Amazon almost as long as I have. He will be an outstanding leader and he has my full confidence. Now waiting to talk with that.
You go shock you say not related, but if na Nigeria here, they'll look for picking when don't go school for UK, come bring come. May can't top those when don't work hard for the company for 20 years. But anyway, congratulations to Jeff Bezos. May relax. He say one work on new product.
You know say one day plan how people go to they go space.
Space, yeah.
And then one concentrate on-
Elon Musk be that one. I be this one join now.
He want join too.
He want join too. That means we'll quick go there. You know say that mean the dating
yes,
ex-wife.
we go.
Now you dey dating ex-wife.
Yes, nah. I mean the dating ex-wife.
For you. R&B.
Amen, Godwin. We'll talk about marriage, couples communication, sexual communication tomorrow,
Well,
hopefully.
okay,
Because
okay.
time not day we start again. But what do I get for our people today? Lady J.
Well, we get property matter.
Oh, yeah, Tuesday and Tuesday,
Yeah,
really,
Tuesday.
yeah.
So we get property matter. Mr. Okuns go there to gist us more. Then we get Niger Original. We get guests on top, Ask the Professional, and then Kentucky go there on ground for in top 20 countdown.
Oh, from 2:30.
From 2:30 go reach 3:30. So na tight package.
Now I bring come. Okay, you don't hear that from Godwin Aruayo and Lady JJ on top workshop arrangement for today. From our own side, now till tomorrow, we go jam us again on top Nigeria 102.7 from 6 a.m. all the way to 11 a.m. I remember what about BM Sharo and B. Make sure say come on leg attention because high voltage there everywhere. Follow me on top Instagram, no Twitter for now. On top Instagram at RONB_Ayo. That's RONEB_AYO. One love to
RONUB.
they try think.
All right, Becca, this is not my own name. Catch you all tomorrow. Vico Liver on this one. Vanilla, not the title.
Niger FM 102.7.